Good day guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm showing you how to make a song with Gemini. So firstly, of course, use the app or use it on the website, doesn't matter. And then what you're looking to do is, as you can see, we have this tools button, so just press on it. And then as you can see, we have a little tab, create music. There you go. And this will begin our journey. Okay, and the tier track explanation for you guys. So for a quick 30-second draft, you can use the fast model, the one I have chosen right now. But if you want a full-length song with verses and a bridge, switch to your model selector to Thinking, okay, or a Pro. Or if you have a Google Plus, you can also get some even better models. So this unlocks the Lyria 3 Pro engine, which understands musical structure better than any model we've seen before. Alright, and of course, as always, I will give you a prompt that you can use to create. Alright, and don't forget you can choose the style, right? So this will be also relevant to the genre of music you're about to create. So my explanation and my prompt is as follows, just a grunge track about a robot finding a floppy disk. So I would say that for my particular prompt, folk ballad will work best. So I'll just choose Thinking. Let me actually choose Pro, why not, right? And then choose Create. And also, if you have your own lyrics, you can just type lyrics followed by your text. All right, and also you can do the visual sync. You can upload a photo, like a sunset or a busy city, and tell Gemini, for example, compose a track that matches the mood of this image. It'll analyze the colors and textures to choose the right instruments. Okay, and now we just wait for it to create. All right, so in my case, something happened. That's fine. You can just regenerate. It's all good. And yeah, that's pretty much how you create, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.